Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install our WhatsApp automation system that opens WhatsApp conversations right inside your Pipedrive easily. Alright, the first step, we're going to choose WhatsAble here. Alright, then click authorize and then select here that all users in your organization can have access to the tool. This will allow all your salespeople to have access to all the conversations or the conversations that are assigned to them inside their Pipedrive. You can choose that your only salespeople get the conversations that they are assigned to. Then click allow and install, and you will get redirected now to our sign up page. Here we'll create our account. Alright, now your Pipedrive is connected with WhatsAble. There's a few settings that I recommend you do. First, when you enable this, a new person will be created when they are contacting you for the first time on your WhatsApp. Then I recommend that you can choose that what happens when someone contacts you and is not a person or does not have a lead or a deal, in your Pipedrive. You can choose to create a new deal and you can choose in which pipeline to have this. You can choose to create just a new deal, or you can choose to create a new deal and a lead as well, or to do nothing. In our case, we're just going to create a new deal. And then you can choose what happens when someone who had a closed deal or a won or lost deal, what happens if they contact you again. You can create a new deal, continue syncing to a closed deal, or reopen the last closed deal, then sync the messages. This allows you to have all your messages that you have in WhatsApp appearing in your Pipedrive activity. All right, so since this is done, we can now go back to our Pipedrive and we can go. But we are not finished. We now need to open our WhatsApp and connect it. If you go here, you will see that we need to connect. So what we need to do now is connect our WhatsApp. So we're going to click here and this will open our system where you are going to connect your existing WhatsApp business number or the number that you want to connect for the first time. Click on connect your WhatsApp number. This will open a pop-up directly with Facebook, and then you can press here, then select your business portfolio that you have connected, and then if you have an existing WhatsApp business app that you want to connect, select connect a WhatsApp business app. Then select the page you want to connect and the ad account you have. Then click next. This process, then you put your phone number and you will see a QR code that you will scan this later. Okay? You can choose to share your previous chat history with us or not. One thing that's important is you're gonna need to add your payment method. So at the end of the process, you will see a green button and you need to add a card so that you can send messages when things happen on your Pipedrive. Alright, if in some point you need help, feel free to just schedule a call by clicking here and we'll be happy to help you with each part of the onboarding. Once we have connected our number inside the notifier console, we will see that this is synchronized. You can refresh this here if it doesn't show up. And then you can start seeing the conversations that happen on your WhatsApp in your Pipedrive activity, as well as open the embedded chat right inside Pipedrive without needing to log in. If you have many people in your sales team, you can have them only see the conversations that are assigned to their specific users. And if your salespeople don't see this right here, they will need to click an authorization button to make sure they also authorize it inside their own Pipedrive account. So that's how you install WhatsAble, the best way to automate WhatsApp and have this on your Pipedrive seamlessly. You can schedule messages depending on specific conditions, and our deep integration with Make, Zapier, N8N, and Monday.com allow you to make the most out of your Pipedrive and WhatsApp integration. If you have any questions or need help, we're always here to help and happy to join you on any Zoom call to help you make the most out of our tool. Thank you and have a great day.